Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about I Respect the Hustle. Viewers defend Uber Eats driver who stapled his real estate business card to orders. Honestly, I really like this idea. I think that anybody who chooses to build their own business or develop a customer base or really anything that is outside of the realm of the gig economy, because the gig economy is a income bridge to what would be a long-term goal, not the goal, and utilizes the platforms in such a way to develop your own business that isn't food delivery, mind you. It's not like you're sniping customers from the platforms. I think this is a great opportunity for you, and an underutilized one at that, because quite honestly, you should be developing income sources that are not necessarily gig platforms, because who knows what's going to happen to them, especially with how tipping culture is being handled today and how the overall economy has been for all parties involved. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, customers, drivers, and all other parties involved, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. When setting out to start a business, creating awareness of the service or product offered can be key to growing a consumer base. Can be? I think it's overall two parts. One part creating awareness and one part actually providing a quality product or service. If you're only doing one half of the overall work you need to do, you may grow to a certain extent, but you're not going to sustain. Some folks choose to run advertisements in their local newspaper or look to online marketing. Billboards, flyers, and posters on message boards are also common ways to spread the word about local business. And those take a lot of money too, and some people don't have the startup capital. One Uber Eats delivery runner is taking the opportunity to share the news about his business as a real estate agent by attaching his business card to food orders. Previously, other drivers have shared that they employ goodie bags with delivery orders and other enticements to get customers to tip. First of all, I have made a video talking all about the Doordash goodie bag thing. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check that out. But this is very different than enticing customers to tip more. This is, you have another service you'd like to provide that is outside of the realm of food delivery, and you are providing your business card there. And yeah, maybe real estate agent is not the best thing, but let's say it's another business. Let's say it's power washing, or dog sitting, babysitting, car washing, mobile car repair, mobile notary if you're delivering to a real estate place to begin with. The point is that you have an opportunity to put your business card on the bag so that way you're potentially getting new customers. And yeah, it's a little bit of a long shot with just a random customer wanting their Taco Bell order, but you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so hey, good on him for putting himself out there. In a slideshow of images posted to TikTok, Winnipeg real estate agent Ryan Smith Realtor 2 on TikTok shares how he is spreading the word about his work as a realtor. I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. But also, to continue to build upon that point of being a realtor, you are paid for selling a house. Maybe I'm thinking of real estate agent, but either way, you are not necessarily paid for the time you put in. You're paid for the results you achieve. So you are paid when you sell a house or even lease out a house. You're not paid for all the hustle and grinding you're doing, so you have to really have another source of income on top of that. What's a great source of income for that? Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, etc. If you want to go the Graham Stephan route, you can start a YouTube channel, and that's also a great way to go about it. But also, another point to be made is that you gotta find a way to make money when you don't finish selling the house, you know? Sometimes you have to get creative, the slideshow is captioned. The action of attaching his business card to food delivery orders was polarizing. Some viewers shared that they respected Smith's hustle to raise awareness of his business cards, and others found the idea distasteful and shared their thoughts in the comments section. First of all, anytime you're in business for yourself, it doesn't matter if you're a gig worker, if you're a YouTuber, if you're a real estate agent, a real realtor, whatever. You are going to have people who hate on you. Heck, if you're working any job, you're gonna have people that hate on you. If you're doing anything in life, you're gonna have hate on you. The only time you're not gonna have hate on you is if you're doing nothing. And then in that case, the only person that's hating on you is probably yourself. But that's a deeper issue, and we're not going into that. You can't choose not to do something because other people are saying negative things about it. A majority of viewers were supportive of the idea and wrote that they respected the move for a businessman trying to share what he's doing with prospective clients. I don't see the problem here, one commenter wrote. Just throw it out if you don't want it, LOL. I respect his devotion. Exactly. Worst thing that's gonna happen is that they throw it out. Whoopee. The other thing that's gonna happen is that they may save your business card in the event that they do decide to end up selling their house or buying a new house. They know who to contact. Or the other side to that is they really do need to end up leaving their home soon, so hey, they know exactly who to contact. Somebody who's already proven that they're willing to hustle. Great idea, another user agreed. Show your passion towards your career. People are so full of hate, another wrote. I have a RE license and do multiple things on the side. If you're not looking for multiple streams of income, that's on you. Exactly. You could also argue the difference between a source and a stream, but either way, if you don't have other opportunities to make money that isn't just food delivery, or even any sort of way to make money in general, that is on you. Now, can one argue that there's a level of overlap that shouldn't take place? I mean, I guess, but again, he has the privilege to be able to do that. Worst that's gonna happen is that they throw out the business card. Some viewers wrote that they would take offense to having the business card attached to their order and would not take a real estate agent seriously if they are also doing food delivery. It sounds to me like they don't understand what it actually means to be a real estate agent. If they actually do change their view of the real estate agent for having a side hustle. Like, who does that? This would make me irrationally angry, a user commented. It's the same as if your waiter tried to get you investing in their guitar business or something. Okay, that is not at all the same way. You're making somebody aware of an opportunity that you could provide that isn't just food delivery. It's not like he's asking for investments. He's letting you know, hey, I'm a real estate agent. If you need to buy a house or something, let me know. And if you get irrationally angry about that, I already know exactly the kind of person you are. You're probably not doing that great for yourself already. You probably didn't tip the driver very well, or you felt obligated to tip just to get your food, so you're already bent out of shape about that. And you've probably been burned by a business already, so you are just not happy with realtors or really anybody going for being in business for themselves at all. So your hate for yourself and how you did is being projected onto others. If my realtor is door dashing for extra money on the side, I have little faith in him, another user wrote. Then you don't understand what it means to hustle. No chance in hell I am calling the DoorDash guy to buy a house, a commenter said. So then you throw it out. I don't understand what the problem is. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. There is nothing wrong with wanting to promote your own business outside of the realm of food delivery, utilizing food delivery. In fact, it's almost like you're being paid to market your product or market your service. I think that's phenomenal. Now, that being said, are you going to get a lot of customers in real estate knowing that these people may not actually have the money to buy a house? I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be a real estate business either. It could be another service you're providing, or maybe you're talking about a different product entirely. There is less than nothing wrong with this. Worst that's gonna happen is that they're gonna throw out your card. The best that's gonna happen is that you end up selling a house to them. Or they're looking for a new place to rent and you provide a rental unit to them. Or you sell their home. Who knows? The opportunities are endless here. The customers don't really know if the person who is the driver is the real estate agent entirely. What if the real estate agent's choice of advertising is providing business cards to drivers to deliver to potential customers? You don't know what the opportunities are like in that area. I think it's a cheap way to advertise a business to potential clients in the event that you're choosing to provide a service of some kind. Could it be a lower cost service for the sake of building up a client list faster? Sure, but it is a great way to build a business nevertheless. Let's say it's a power washing business. Let's say it's a different kind of service entirely. Car washing, mobile car repair, mobile notary. I think it's a great way to offer a service-based business to potential clients. I don't know if product-based business is going to work the same way, but there is a potential opportunity here for sure, at least in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!